Guys, it is a gloomy day outside, but we're gonna start the day with our skincare routine. This morning we have a PR box from Dr. Dennis Gross. It is their vitamin C line. Vitamin C is great if you have dark spot or dullness. I'm gonna put about 2 drops. It's also good to help environmental free radicals in the air. The thing to be careful with vitamin C, if you have sensitive skin, it can be a little aggressive. So it's kind of better to find a product that has a blend of C's, vitamin C's, if you're not used to using lactic acid, or if you feel, L-ascorbic acid, or if you feel like you're breaking out from using it, you might want to check something out a little bit lighter. And then we'll go in with the Radiant Moisturizer. Wait, this smells really good. Then I'm gonna follow up with my Glow SPF. Gives me a light coverage, which I love. So let me explain to you why I'm going to PT. So about 2 months ago, I had hip surgery. I had a torn labrum and a hip impingement. So this is my hip bone. This is my leg bone. There was a bone spurt here and a bone spurt here. So when my leg would move inside my hip, it would click over that bone and it was really painful. That clicking eventually caused a tear in that tissue or cartilage that's right in between my hip and my leg. And then tonight we're going to dinner with the girls, my sister Alina, my cousin Garineh, my brother's girlfriend Megan, and then Talad. I never know how to explain my relationship with her because she's one of my best friends. We also grew up together. Also, my parents were maid of honor and best man at her parents' wedding. Also, my brother and my sister and her brother are married. It was not arranged, and now we have a niece. We share a niece. So our relationship's really interesting, and I love her. So that'll be really fun. It's time to go. My brother's girlfriend happens to work at the physical therapy place I come to.
No big deal.
I gotta get some work done while I eat. I have to do some work for Glamour Cosmetics, and then I also have to edit my vlog that I filmed yesterday. So I'm just gonna get to it and I'll catch you guys later. I thought we would do an unboxing together. I have a box from Ardell. They just shipped this over to me, so I don't know what's in there. Ardell has some of my favorite lashes for my clients. Oh, it looks like it's a holiday box. How cute. So they have a bunch of their different lashes here. 113, 421s are some of my favorite. Oh, that's cool. They have 420, 421, 422. You don't often see them in a package like this. 420 and the 421 are my favorite. They have these really 3D foam mink lashes. And then these are probably the biggest ones in the package. Pretty big, like you're talking like big lashes. Thank you, Ardell. You know I love you guys. I'll definitely be adding some of these to my kit as well. It's past 7. I gotta go. I'm just gonna put this on real quick. Sorry, Charlie. He's sad I'm leaving. Bubba's home. Okay? Be a good boy.